A good friend of ours just bought this property, and he's got a project that he needs some help with, and we're always more than willing to pitch in, lend a hand. So here's the project site. They just bought this property and they want to create an RV parking space right here. So that they're going to be able to pull the RV in and back it up right here. There's trees here, here, another one right there that are in the way. We're going to go ahead and cut those trees, cut them up into pieces, take them down to the chipper. We're going to chip it up into a compost pile so that next year they've got something to work with. We're going to come in, we're going to take out this stump right here. We're gonna pull away a bunch of this material first, and then we're gonna use the stump grinder that I brought up with me tonight. We're gonna eliminate that stump way down into the dirt. Well, I love working outdoors, and I look forward to sharing it with you. Let's get going. All right, I'm gonna fire up the chainsaw, but always wear your protective gear. Got the helmet, some hearing protection, protect my eyes. I'm always wearing gloves. No matter what, safety comes first. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. All right, we're gonna do now that we've got the two main trees cut, is we've got them on the trailer, we're gonna tow it down here to the chipper. This is perfect. You know, he wants to keep the chips separate in terms of fir chips and pine chips in his compost piles. Love it. So I've got the two white fir trees on the trailer, ready to go. We're gonna pull down there, back up to the chipper. We gotta make quick work of it. Sun's starting to set. There we go. Gotta shoot it right there. That thing's a heck of a beaver, isn't it? Make short work of all those limbs and trees. Now he's got a great compost pile going so that next year he can plant some more gardens, trees, everything else. Heck of a tool. We've kind of run out of daylight to do the stump, but we're gonna be back tomorrow and resume our project. We're gonna pull the material away from the stump, and we're gonna use the Barretto SG30 stump grinder to actually just wipe it away completely, clear down into the roots. Once that's done, we're gonna be ready to do some serious soil and site prep. Tomorrow can't come soon enough. So last night we came in and removed these two trees. There were obstructions to the project site, big limbs overhanging. We removed that one and that one. Now what I've got to do is come over here and remove this stump. This is another obstruction to the project, and we've got to bring the mini skid around with the bucket and remove all this material. There's too many rocks and boulders and everything else down in there for us to have in the place. Otherwise that stump grinder is going to hit all that rock and throw it everywhere. So we're going to clear away that material and move it over here to the area that needs to be filled anyway. And once we've got it there and this is completely exposed, I'm gonna walk the stump grinder over here and I'm gonna wipe this stump away. I'm gonna grind it down to just little chips. I'm gonna go as deep as I can. And then once that's done, I'm gonna be able to come in and run that framing up right here with the board so that we can then fill all of this in with material and make it nice and level. All right, let's fire up the mini skid and get to work. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. All right, now I've got the stump cleaned away. Everything's ready for me to now take the stump grinder, walk it up, get it in position. I'm gonna decimate this stump. It's gonna be gone. All right, that took all of just about 3 minutes and just decimated that stump. I mean, that's nothing but mulch. The stump is gone. Nothing but wood chips. Remember to look for part 2 on our YouTube channel, and remember to click like and then subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a single episode of Build It Better DIY, sponsored by Barretto.